Hey, good morning. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're working on this 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I assume this is going to be the same as your Liberties. Anything with the 3.7, 4.7. We're going to remove the fuel line off the fuel rail. We're going to show you how to do that. If this video is helpful, please like, send me some nice comments. If you want to reach out to me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. Subscribe to my page and share my videos. So Jeff's going to demonstrate this for us. Hopefully it goes well.
Quarter inch.
He's going to put it in there, and then he's going to push the line towards him and then pull the line backwards. And usually that's the way it works. Let's see if it works today. Is it working at all for you, Jeff?
And it's stuck on there pretty good.
Yeah, you get this sometimes. Basically, you want to, as you push that tool inwards towards me, which would be towards your right, you're going to push the line left towards the tool and then pull back rather sharply, and usually it'll come right off, except for this time when we're trying to make a video. Usually it's a half a second thing. There you go. So that's how you do it. Like I said, don't be the next to them, be the first to you. If anybody else can do it, you can too. Subscribe, share, have a great day. God bless.